another episode of Pinville Past and Present, where we celebrate football. And today we have a very special guest to our broadcast today. He goes by the name of Muzipeso. Can you please wish me well to have a very delighted and fruitful conversation with him? He's an inside man. Elongori knows about the community, football, and I think most of us we will learn so much from him today. So please welcome me, Ndate Muzikeso. How are you, sir?
I'm good. And yourself, Bob Marumo?
I nna ke right ntate wa ka.
Eh, ntate wa ka.
Ai ra thabela ho ba le wena mo ko Pinville Past and Present. E leng hore you are doing so much for Pinville at the moment. So na tje fela ne re kopa fela nje community ya rona e tlo tseba more re qoqa re be le conversation e monate e leng hore le bana ba e shebeletse they will learn a lot. Alright. So ne kopa fela nje we introduce to the viewers hore na o mang and o hlahetse ko kae taba tseno tse jwalo fela.
Sanibonani bavukele emakhaya. Igama lami nguMuzikeswa. Ngikhona la ePimville. ePimville Zone 2. Ngisebenza eCrystal Fountain, i-organization esiza kakhulu umphakathi with all social issues that affect our community, from nutrition, HIV testing, or all the chronic illnesses. We do education and awareness in the community. We also ensure that people are taken care of to improve their quality of life. There are a lot of services that we do. Holistically, we are just a welfare center. And me now, Muzi, hey, mawukhuluma ukuthi ngizalelwe kuphi, hey, you take me very far. Years back, I was born in Orlando East. I grew up there for many years. Because of my upbringing, my parents. So it's kind of I would change my locations. 2 years ngifunda la, 2 years sengikuphi, but nje even eKZN ngutu ngeke ngahlala khona isikhathi noma 2 years ngiphinde ngibuye ngiseJozi, Middlesex. Yeah, so nje Soweto nje, ngifana waseSoweto.
Okay. So na ntho e leng hore ha e bua lebitso le la Maradona. Yeah. So lebitso le la Maradona le hlahile ko kae? O le thotse neng lona vele?
Hey, Maradona, legend.
Yeah.
I used to love Maradona. I still even love him now. Esaphila ke bengingakwazi ukuthi ngizibize ngegama lakhe. Yeah, esaphila. Uyabona. Even on 2010 ela South Africa. I was so touched with abe coach in that World Cup. But yeah, during the years of the COVID, in the early 2021, 22, around there, I'm not sure if that they but after the time announcer, that you know what, wherever I in this football fraternity, we are continuing. So Maradona, they multiply. Banning about Banning because we're inspired by him, his passion, what he has done for Argentina, or the world, football in the world. And look at his physical structure. Is not that tall or physical strong, but he will do amazing things with
one
the
of
ball.
the greatest.
So
So your football, where did it begin?
Orlando East, the number 2.
So
number 2.
How old are you team? Maybe you can take us through.
Oh, okay. Ngikudlala my development under 13 ku-Omden, ubaba Omden, we live an experience. Umadala nje omunye angazi noma sekhona Orlando. It's been years ngamuva eOrlando nge-99 ngimuve 99 eOrlando. But bengine-11 experience lapha number 2. Sikhojwa abo-Tisha. There was a guy called Tisha ohlala lapha na 18. So nje besidlala ibhola lapha. I started there. I was playing even in left back mangiqala ukudlala. left
Left
back.
back.
Yeah, left back, and I progress ngadlala left wing.
Okay.
Yeah,
So lebitso la team ne le
11 experience.
11 experience.
Yeah.
So in the first team le yona
Yeah,
already.
it had the first team. I remember there was a day where baby shorter. Surely I was 14 or 15. No, I was not even 14. I was around 14. Hey, yeah, short team bangfaka ku first team. Bangfaka at the age
Yeah,
of 14.
14.
Just nje ukuthi amathimbe we first game lapha number 2 amachita ayishota bangifaka. Bangithemba. Mina ngangithukile ke on the game. Ngangithukile. Mangiphasa ibhola uyabona abantu badala balana bathi baba ne trust ukuthi awushuthi ibhola uyalastana. Zithembe libambe. And ngawenza ama touches. Kodwa ngenzanga ama touches amaningi because bengithukile vele.
Okay, so teaming yona eno no ha o ntso dlala o ntso le ngwana o qadile o bona ne hore I have a potential jwale ya hore mo I can even dream to become a professional footballer.
98 we World Cup France. Uyabona that time uPenny McCarthy makuthiwa Shibobo besijima lapha Orlando Stadium sijinyiswa ucoach uEsther itime lika Papi Human the late uPapi Human.
Okay.
So yeah, bedlala lapha Esther Human. Yes, sena Orlando Stadium. No, that was not 11 experience. But bese try na ukuthi singene kwi-shape uyabona. And Orlando futhi bekune Orlando Pirates. Be coach of Eric development. From so besina that wish ukuthi no kuseduze man kuseduze ukufika because i-team like us so we have push ukuthi ungene before kufika abo phala shows bekhona uEric eOrlando. Yeah. So sathi ukutraina laphana nabo coach Esther mabe shoota le ukuthi Shibobo we were there, we didn't train the day, and then yeah man esapusha bengithanda ucoach ngoba
so maybe let's say the challenges that you faced prevent you maybe uskaba a professional player.
Oh, okay, nga progress angicabanga I think 2001 bengidlala kwi Hillbrow Action.
Okay.
Hillbrow Action ePetrams, yeah. Besitrainer lapha ePetrams ngase Ellis Park Stadium. Kumalankana khona ucoach wami nje bebethi uMalankana ebengathukana uma wenza into ezinye
esibona
beyathukana that guy but beyafuna into grand athemba ukuthi ngoba besitrainer so madlala lapha na ku Hillbrow Action most ama player mina mangifika bewaya kwi Development Pirates abaningi yeah so bebe yeah sike sadlala lapha isese before baye Mayfair bese eLanglaagte saba nama games adlala mina ke bese ngidlala kakhulukazi bengithanda ukudlala i-central midfield yathi like uMaradona so but ke i-strength sami besingangi ala ukuthi ngibe kule position into engishayile nje kwaba i-height kahle and ngaba umuntu ongena speed ke ukuthi njengoba ngitshela ukuthi ngiyadlala i-left back right back but i-speed bengingenaso nje bekuba contain game udlale.
So sometimes are you saying or maybe the challenges maybe let's say ka height umkhutshwane na physique sometimes ina lo idlala role ya uska fihlela go pro side because of we can even maybe check how many players do we have go PSL Bondlondo is the only player lo umkhutshwane mara I don't think bafita bo ma 50.
Yeah yabona i-height accountable and mama une height nje u-short ungekho tall abo coach baku prefera esiding.
Okay.
Yeah, esiding because mawuthi uyabheka yeah abo coach kahle and mawuthi uyabheka eMzansi ibhola li control abo coach that are not South Africans and they don't believe in us. Ngicabanga nayo lokhu undaba ithethwa uDlondo it's because our coach believe in the bamfaka and was prove wadlala but uyabona noma Pirates mase kunomunye coach they don't believe ukuthi angadlala midfield they want abantu abathola like abombatha uyabona so yizo lezo so nje mawubheka nje noma ungabheka uMessi udlala esayidini udlala uyabona yeah but central where I was good left and right abo coach bebengayiboni leyo bebengaboni futhi bebona ukudlala but ukukhompyutha angiboni Yeah, either way, and another thing nje kuma opponents mangidlala ukuthi abantu bade. Remember somebody who hit the ball. Yeah, defend.
You
So
have to
he height,
compete area.
yeah.
So currently, are you still active playing?
I'm very active. I'm very active.
Which
I
team
love
are you?
football. I mean, I don't think I'll retire playing football. Kuzosho umzimba wami ukuthi hayi awusakhona. But still ngizovula enye team yabantu abakuleyo age leyo. Sidlale kube slow motion. Yeah, ibhola lasiza kakhulu. Bese njani assist ku mental health, ku discipline, ku health nje, physical health ukuthi ube active. Nokuthi nje usocialize nabantu liyakutravelisa. Liyakutravelisa. I once went to Maritzburg ngebhola esobantu, so yabona ngiyazibuza ukuthi if ibhola bengizofika nini in that community. Ngike ngaya eMpumalanga, different areas. And wazana nabantu ba safe na ku community yabo ukuthi awubani, and yenza ukuthi ube discipline ungazitholi entweni ezirong.
True that. So team oyidlala ngona JK?
Black Masters.
So
yes. Middlelands zone 11, Amachita, besidlala nawo years back. So Safia we age with Jasma when you reach about 30 something, abo coach abasabelieve very soon exit yabo ngoba energy, which is true, energy. Computer nabantu njengoba ngithe mina ngangina 14 ngena. So computer can imagine abona 15 17 talent, pace yabona fast. So sabona ukuthi I know I don't understand ibhola. Let us have our teams and playing. Sadlala ke namanje sadlala futhi.
Okay. So have you ever owned the team?
Yes. I once owned the team in Movers United. But ke ishimanga kutsheni ngione kanjani Movers United. Ngeke wenzakala ukuthi nje amajita approach bebona nje leadership skills. Mabebona leadership skill, but no, they wish ukuthi singafoma i-team. So and then sayifoma i-team sadlala, but it was not my idea. Mina ngeke ngangena ukuthi ngifake just order ne-discipline, rules and regulations kumele siziphathe kanjani. Sadlala bona laba bagcina bangishiya nalo team leyo, and then that's how I became bagcina bangasazingeni bangasadla sebenake ezinye izinto. So so but anyway babeze umuntu owazi ukuthi usebenzela i-community, because before i-first team I had young players from under 13, 15, 17, even under 20. So I was just developing, focusing in them.
So what can you say a person who owns a team, the challenges and maybe let's say support, what can you say about this?
Yo, abo coach, firstly, trying to appreciate our coach coach, they are doing a lot for abantwana, community. They are doing a lot. Baba abantwana go. Baba abazali, I mean, kulaba abantwana. And umntwana odlala ibhola or sport, uba na that sense of discipline, uyazi ukuthi isikhathi punctuality yini. So uyamtraina i-discipline umntwana mayisakhula, because nesikhathi sokujima if awufikanga you'll be disciplined. Shayiswa ama-round, shayiswa ama-push-up. So ubona ukuthi yonke into inama-consequences. Abo-coach nje ama-challenges ahamba nawo, because o-coach balithanda ibhola, babathanda abantwana. I-challenge yi-one, ama-resources abekho supported. Ama-resources ayandlula phambi kogoji kanjena, andlule nje uze kuthiwa kunani aye kulaba abaya kubo, but nje thothi abo-coach bona abatholi i-support. And abo-coach, they need to be recognized by parents first, by the communities, different communities nje. Batholi support. Nami ibhola yabona ku-community nje bayabona ukuthi kune-team athenga nje ibhola ukuthi hayi bantwana bami badlala nanti ibhola, hayi nansi wisile, awuthi kwaba into enkulu. And we find that ucoach ugcina isikhathi sakhe aspende etimini, and abo-coach abaningi abaspani. Bengaspani kanjalo bayatravela, batravela nabantwana, and uma betravela nabantwana kumele kube ne-way yenjani ye-transport ukuthi bazoprovide kanjani. So bayidinga i-support. Noma umuntu ku-community akayithanda team, but cabanga i-course yalaba abantwana abakhona bayi-20, let's just say division A1. Can you imagine division awu-3 bayingaki labo bantwana? Parents basemsebenzini abaningi. During the day umntwana usesikole mayibuya uyadinga ukuthi eze teamini. Uyabona mayize teamini uzotraina enze lezi zinto. Mayibuya umzali naye useyakhona endlini, but we balance i-soccer with incwadi.
Yeah. So maybe the advice that you would give to the up and coming youngsters gore ntho tse le ga ba tlameha go di etsa if ba batla go ithola ba tla go professional or the way ba tshwanetse ba itshware ka teng as di-soccer players?
First thing is discipline. There should be discipline. You can have the talent. Talent without discipline, something else. In South Africa, we have the talent. Njoba kudlala World Cup semi-final, we could be winning a World Cup. We have talent, but you find that the talented players, they're not disciplined at all. So, any sport or anything that you are committed to, you need a discipline. First thing, discipline, and follow the instructions. When we are given instructions, follow the instructions. And it's education again. Nokufunda. Sometimes ukufunda isn't as different. Yeah, you go get mawungebhola travel. So mawusuka la ePimville, uhamba uyodlala eZola. It's a different community. Basiphatha ngendlela engafani nasePimville. So akumelanga uze nengqondo yasePimville away. Uyabona ukuthi sikubonisa kanjani ukuthi nje self discipline zibambe zicontain and nokutravela kwamanye ama-provinces kanjalo. So into efunakalayo nje uma udlala as a youngster, first you need discipline. Uvala umlomo ungacomment entweni eziningi that are there social media because abantu bazoyithatha ngenye indlela. And another thing, substance. Young players nje or any person ofuna ukubona grow must stay away from substance. Substance ihabli ama-player amancane abulawa ihabli. Youngsters babona ihabli. It's either ihabli or e-cigarette la ama-vapor. Ngeke uthi ufuna ukugijima ngapha ufaka something toxic emzimbeni wakho. Noma ningahlala ningamajita lapho ayikusizi wena leyo nto leyo.
And as a soccer player, I think for your body, it's your tool. And if you misuse your tool, the chances are you become a professional player this league. Because now ubulaya tool ya.
If we can mix soccer or football with God, uzokwazi ukuthi it's a temple. Kumele ulinakekele kanjani, uliphathe kanjani. Ungabi soccer player suffer from substance. Soccer player busy nabogele abaningi. Yabona nje so nje leyo nto le iya affect in a long run because ugcina uba nabantwana yonke indawo odlala khona bakuthathile wadlala eFree State usiya ngwana mo watsamaya apho uyalimpopo wetsa ngwana omungu hona mona wabona so nje discipline, it goes back to discipline and respect.
So how has football changed from your playing days to today?
Football had taught me to be strong. First thing, to be strong, to deal with anything pressure. Khumbula ukuthi nje kwesikhathi ungena efieldini nithola ama-opponent that are very good than you. Like France, for making an example. And you must compete and win against that team. So you come up with ideas and over strong, absorb pressure. It assists you even in life when things get difficult. Then it makes things cope with the situation. And sometimes you find that you are at work and at work kuna-challenges akhona and lawo ma-challenges afuna ukuthi wenzani uwezele ngenye indlela even kwi-family in the community. So ibhola liyakutraina ukuthi ukwazi uku-adapta in any situation.
So now, beside football, I want us to engage more on the level of community development. Understand? So where like msebenzi wa o ala hore o develop community, engage the community to more. So ke batla re tlohele more on it. So you say go Crystal Fountain you work as what?
At Crystal Fountain, I'm a managing director in the organization. yazi angithanda ukusebenzisa ama-title because aku-infiltrate ingqondo, ugcina manje usuzibona, uyabona. Mina nje ngisebenzela iCrystal, ngiyaphusha ku-community work, kusiza nje umuntu, as I've said in the beginning, to improve the quality of life of the destitute.
Okay, so what motivated you to move from football into community development?
You know, I was touched by HIV. After completing my secondary education, I wanted to do aeronautical chemistry by that time. Bengisafuna ukungena what do you call this? Investec. Bekusena Investec.
Investec.
Yeah, manje
University.
yeah, manje sekuyi UJ. Yeah, sekuyi UJ. Bengifuna ukungena laphana eBanting campus. Laphana even went into zakhona kwathiwa at that time i-course yami beyifuna boma 9,000 per semester. And then I was raised by a single mother, so nangasebenzi, it was difficult to provide. That was before NFSAS. Yes, so abo eduloni bebekhona, but manje mawuthi uya-apply ngathi kunama-gatekeepers, izinto aziphumeleli. Oh, it was just nje i-plan kaNkulunkulu. Ikilimo, wabona. And then I was sitting at home in next siku-youth kuyilaphana Watford youth, uchairperson wami ngalesikhathi uMsuthu athe mfethu asambe sozama lapha esizanani kune-program ezayo. And then we went there, that was in World AIDS Day.
Okay.
World Day, I think it was 2004 or 2003, around there. Angisakhumbuli kahle, but in between those 2 years. So we went there, sasebenza, and by that time there were no ARVs. Oh, there were ARVs, but you given ARVs when your certificate was below 50, from 50 and below. Yeah, and then mighty 60 plus, they said wait until 2004, until 2009 when President Zuma came in, and as soon as you are tested positive, you must be admitted or you must be given medication. And I started community work there, so I think it was in my nature.
Calling.
Kusiza abantu, and that was a Midlands, and then social development. I was trained by young deployer at Pimville, Crystal Fountain. Yeah, that was 2009. Mangfie Pimville, and I continue serving the community without judging, because there are values when we are at school studying social work. There are those values and principles that you need to uphold, and it comes naturally ngendlela engangikhuliswe ngayo ukuthi uzwele omunye umuntu asizakala.
Okay, so what are the biggest challenges facing young people in our community today?
Firstly, unemployment. Number two, it's poor education from Ecolin. I don't think the current education, it serves the purpose to shape the current status quo, where when you complete matric, you can have a skill before you go to maybe tertiary. That should come as a tertiary, where they are now polishing a skill you have, and they are giving you qualifications. So can you imagine you're studying whatever is happening now? It doesn't serve the purpose.
It doesn't serve the purpose.
Yeah.
So unemployment,
poor education, substance abuse. Because if you complete school and there are no opportunities, you suffer from mental health.
Yeah.
Then you start a substance. You end up abusing that substance. Yeah. And then that it causes other social ills like your GBV, your heartbreaks, and because you end up finding yourself in unintended relations, because it's what presented itself to you. Yabona abo young ladies, HUIW, adolescent young girls and women. You find that lapho, why better this abbreviation? AG, adolescent girls and young women. Yes, that's a correct one. Adolescent and young, yeah. You find that they are finding themselves in relationships that are abusive just to cope and survive. There's peer pressure and unwanted pregnancies, STIs. So yeah.
Yeah, I think maybe just to add the unemployment one, especially when you say the education system, high service status quo, we have so many graduates. I mean, whatever that they did go varsity, it's irrelevant go, or maybe a manager or a supervisor. But about hirabana ba bana di skill. And young people are unemployable. So why hangata batho ba rata ho tjho jwalo?
I think abantu abana patience. When you are having someone who is inexperienced, definitely you will face challenges. But as an employer, remember you have expectations that an employee must deliver.
Yes.
So you don't have time to nurse or to grow that individual. But young people, they need patience. The backgrounds they didn't teach them how to be disciplined to cope. If you can look in recently, there are no recreation centers that are there. Yeah, we see spaces, and I don't want to go into those politics, but recreation from a Colin. Look at schools. We used to know that Wednesdays is just sports days. You go there and participate. And the school football was producing talent. Was producing professional players. Yeah. So they end up not focusing in that. They shifted the budget. Budget is there to support from Ekoleni in the communities. So yeah. So young people, hey, abaningi bayadisappoint banenhliziyo encane vele nje bayadisappointa. They don't arrive at work in time, and when they're at work they are not working, they're always on their phones, TikTok or whatever it might be. Sometimes we are talking to that individual, then once she call you told me what giving her my instructions. So you see, that's time. It's a employer's time, but this individual is using time for personal. I'm not saying people should not attend to personal things, but know the time.
Know the time.
Know the time and the place.
So how can sport be used to fight crime, drugs, and unemployment?
Message through sport. Message through sport, like drugs. Maubheka nje stadium kuba like those boards.
No excuse.
No excuse, no racism. So when it comes to dealing with the poverty and other things, we should put a message in sport. And families should come out and support people that play sport. Because abantwana mangakubuza nje nawe coach ukuthi abantwana bakho obadlalisayo or whoever, not owabakho nje, asikhulume nje like nje ukuthi bangaki ukuthi mayodlala kube ne-family member yombheka. Makuyazi ukuthi udlala isport, udlala ibhola, and ngesikhathi akenzi lutho uhlele endlini ubhekelele i-omnibus. I-omnibus from akuna support.
Only few parents.
A few parents.
Only few. Okay, so why is it important for former footballers to give back to their communities?
Experience. You can't buy experience. You get it through years. experience. So it's important that the experience you have, share it with young people.
Okay.
Yeah, you shape them because of what you know.
What you know.
Even
yeah,
though
you've been
times
there.
can be different,
But
but the purpose is still the same. As there's AI, there's what? Ama-trees besiwenza during our times, we under 15 are not the same now. But the purpose would no yenza sontwana mabethi bashayisa sometimes ufika le elanglachte ngeke ngatraina laphana ku-Pirates njalo akunama-ground ayi-2 laphana. Sometimes ufika nje laphana bathi hayi shaya 15 rounds shaya 15 rounds in 20 minutes or 10 minutes,
and you have to push.
Yeah, you have to push nge-pace. Kwi-2 rounds double nje ububona nje nangapha double urawunda wona kanje uthi hey yeah, so akuthi yabona iyakutrain kwesikhathi uyazibuza ukuthi why mawukwata mawuthi uyakwata uyayeka wakutshela ucoach go home angithi you are not ready, go home. So uyabona izinto ibhola lilapho. So to answer your question is that abantu abane-experience must come in babe discipline first. I know ukuthi unemployment leads to poverty, aba-affecta, you find that bayaziphuzela. But when they pass the message to young people, kumele i-alcohol bayibeke esayidini, and then bese bastike into that.
Okay, so now department is setlo ba ko yona ke bolong I think we will be doing a bit of awareness.
Okay.
Re tla re bua ka the HIV services.
Yeah.
And re tlo tla re ya deep hanyane just to le batho be le ba tlo shebela they should learn. Because batho ba ntse ba tshaba, why ba ntse ba tshaba le ka 2026, why ba sa adhere, why ba sa etse. So just feel like ba fe that knowledge through this platform. So HTS services entail in hangata.
HTS is HIV testing services. So it's not only HIV, there's also high blood pressure testing, there's sugar diabetes testing, and then and other vitals, your weight, your height, so that you balance both ube health. These are health services. Yeah, but the main priority is to get people tested. Not only them to be tested, those that test positive, they are referred to facilities to be initiated with ART, which is ART. It's a antiretroviral treatment, and when they are on ART, their viral load to be suppressed, which are a normal life. Angabonakali ukuthi upositive. Yeah, so mention ukuthi abantu basasaba i-stigma. Yabona i-stigma on HIV siningi even now. Kune self internal stigma. When you get tested positive, you deny, self denial. Okuzwanga one maybe mina I was not having like many partners. Bengistethela lo muntu uthi ngani manje lapho yakulimaza, and it got a stigma esikhona esiningi as a community, not only outside community, family. Uyabona when we test people or ungazibuza wena nabanye basekhaya ukuthi when I get tested and one day I test positive, who's the first person engizomtshela? Would I tell my family, the whole family, that I'm HIV positive? Most they say no. Why? It's no. Because of the treatment, the weight that will come after that.
Okay, why is HIV testing still so important even today?
It is important because people are having sex, first thing, and unprotected sex, and there are new HIV infections that are happening. Yeah. So people need to know their status. They must be tested all the time. Yeah.
So is it still the major in South Africa?
People are okay. People is not HIV is not detrimental like years back. Why? Because of the new medication that is available in the facilities. There are many people that are taking medication. I think in the country with the nation statistics, it's 8 million, 8 million plus people, 8 million plus people that have tested positive. So yeah, and a few of them die, but those that die, they die because of other opportunities diseases and not taking medication correctly. So can you imagine if we were ensuring that whoever that tests positive is on earth, and then those that are on earth, they take medication correctly. So they will be in U equals U, meaning undetectable equals to untransmittable. So when you are on medication, you tend to test HIV negative. Not that the virus is not in your body, is that it is suppressed. It is suppressed, and you cannot transfer it to the next person because it is suppressed. So it is important to test people for people to know their status. Yeah.
So like also it and I like it how Poto earlier you just link it correctly, and you just answering even other questions e leng gore ne tsametse ke tlo botsa tsona. Mara now ke eng e etsang batho ba tshabe ho test, especially men?
Ke lifestyle. Yeah, number one. Especially ubaba. Ama-gents abafuna ukutesta. Why? Lifestyle bayazi ukuthi balala kanjani nabantu abayingaki. So vele una that fear of unknown. Yeah, instead until yena correcta ukuthi ithi mina ngenze kahle. Remember ngikhulume nge-substance, ne? Umuntu ma under influence, let's just say alcohol or ama-drugs. Ama-drugs ke, yeah, I will come to that. But let's start with alcohol, where many people they find themselves consuming alcohol. During alcohol, kuba nama relationships aqala lapho. And most of them they lead into sexual activity. Yeah, to sex. They lead into sex, and unfortunately, not everyone will use a condom. Yeah.
So, but what happens when someone comes for HIV testing, like service the welfare and
our HIV testing is conducted by HIV coordinators or health workers that are trained to render the service professionally. And firstly, it's private. It's a one-on-one session. It's one-on-one without anyone. Or sometimes there are couples that we test. So it becomes the three of you in that session. But mostly it's one-on-one, and they are private, they are confidential. Our health workers are trained with confidentiality. They've signed confidentiality clause to ensure that whatever happens during the testing, it will remain between the client and themselves. Unless there's a need to assist the client to refer to the next level. It's not that we know everything. Remember, there's a counseling. We do a pre-counseling. Pre is before the HIV testing, and the post after testing. So during counseling, it's a conversation. Why are you testing? And then with your results, your everything, when was your last test? Those questions, we have a questionnaire to ensure that we make the client feel at ease. Mayihleli, angapaniki, angashaki, futhi angabe too confident. Because sometimes we find clients that are too confident, and then mabethola ama results alathi bengaexpectanga kuba is something else. So it's just a conversation, and a professional one. So our setup, most of the time we're using Gazebo. We also test the officini, even the facilities, health facilities.
So you're professionals.
Professional.
And whatever it's confidential.
Yes, it's confidential, and you sign a consent form that we are agree to make this test, and there's a witness. It will be a supervisor.
Okay.
outside ukuthi ungenile wasana nasana with the person okutestile, and then the supervisor will later agree ukuthi no, definitely on this date when uyithathile the test.
So how long does it take to test approximately?
It is 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, because we are following the guidelines. National Department of Health guidelines on HIV testing. They are
Okay.
standardized. Yeah, we don't rush the results. Yeah, there are guidelines on those test
those
kits.
test kits. Okay, so can someone live a long and healthy life after testing HIV positive?
As long as we adhere, medication and adhere kahle. Now we are on 95. Very soon by 2030, we are chasing 100%. So if an individual is HIV positive, is on a medication, taking the medication correctly, as guided, they can live a long life. There are people that are giving feedback with, I'm very healthy. I also test just to check ukuthi ngime kanjani, but my results they always come negative. I'm able to do ezinye izinto. You can play sports, you can do many things, and your life expectancy it's the same as anyone else.
So what are the common ways HIV is transmitted?
Lately, it's drugs, sex and drugs, sex, unprotected sex and drugs. Why drugs? We have a program for people who use drugs, and during those services or visiting communities, different communities, we find that young people are using drugs, and not drugs that maybe are being undermined, like your Nyaupe, where you see, but young people are using drugs.
Young people
They're taking drugs, and during taking those drugs, they are reckless. So we doing harm reduction. With no matter you are using those drugs, ensure that you are safe. You are not transmitting maybe your blood to another person, because remember there are no opportunities, job opportunities for the next fix. You need money. You need to ensure that you have money. So sometimes they end up sharing the blood, and then in mjive I'm mjive my kanjalo mjive. I'm a house party wherever abanye guna sex work where you are having sex in exchange of something. It could be money or favor. That's sex work. So remember, umuntu that is buying uyona terms. Mayethenga akasho ukuthi let us use a condom. Mawuthona let us use a condom, maybe a female. He said, no, it's ngithola omunye.
Yeah, and you're desperate for
you are desperate for the man. Yeah, so yeah.
So the myth tse leng batho ba ntse ba di believe lona tje ka HIV ke
ukuthi i-HIV is not for me. Baningi abantu ababelieve ukuthi i-HIV is not for me. Mina I'm strong na i-HIV yabo bani. Sometimes thoth umuntu akekho aka-abuse substance, akekho on drugs, uhamba isonto, but uthola ukuthi ama-sexual activities akhe awekho healthy, or yena esayidini lakhe a-healthy for yena, but i-partner, remember phela umuntu mawuzwana naye ozolana awumazi ukuthi wenzani kuphi nini, noma ningahamba nonke esengakudoda.
So can someone who looks healthy still be living with HIV?
Yes, they can live with HIV, be healthy benjalo. Ngishilo njalo ngathi when you are on medication, your viral load iba suppressed. Omunye abe angazi ukuthi HIV positive, but umzimba wakho u-healthy, baya collapse ngesikhathi esiningi ukuthi maye kanjalo. So i-viral load, i-CD4 count, not sorry, i-CD4 count mayilokho yehla, thothi i-body yakhe ayichange ayikho into echangeayo, and then but i-viral load is now high, i-CD4 count it's low, then how about in collapsing? But when when I collapse emsebenzini noma ikuphi, I'm not saying people that have collapsed emsebenzini
But
it was
yeah,
because
it
of
was
that.
because of this.
Sengiyasho ukuthi akhona ama-cases
According to
anjengalawo.
the,
Yeah.
No. So since we look at the couple, why should couple test more often?
They should test, and especially if they are not, even if they are using a condom protection, they must test. They must test. Yeah.
So how often should sexual activity people test?
Sexual
activity.
Oh, okay. Sexual active.
Yeah, sexual active.
We call them risk. People on risk.
Yeah.
We advise those that at risk to take PrEP. We have PrEP. PrEP is pre-exposure prophylaxis. It's a medication that you take before, it's actually before or to prevent when you're HIV negative. And now there's Lenacapavir.
Yeah.
It's an injection that you take twice in 12 months. Twice. It means every 6 months you take it. We are protected. So when you know when you are a high risk, you are sexually active and you are not using a condom, anytime so please ensure to take a PrEP. And particularly PrEP does not prevent unwanted STIs. It does not also prevent unwanted pregnancy. So you still have to look into that condom usage.
Okay, so what should someone do immediately after testing positive?
First thing, would have a calm. Because we're talking about emotions here. Truth is a shock. Yeah. Maybe you once lived a reckless life and now so feel right. But I was going to be HIV positive way. So the first thing is going to be calm. My second, the post counseling is there for support. Then touch medication immediately. Yeah. Angaze athi uzo-deteriorate emzimbeni kuze kubonakale nama-symptoms kube njani but nje yeah.
So some of these questions we have answered them, so we just felt as a tempera okay. So can someone on treatment reach an undetectable viral load?
Oh, I spoke about U equals U. Yeah. When you take your medication at the right time, like given by your doctor or a professional nurse, you then find yourself that your viral load in your body is suppressed. And then your CD4 count goes higher. When it goes higher, when you test HIV negative. And then that doesn't mean you should stop medication. You must continue taking medication. Then when your viral load is suppressed, you can have a negative, healthy baby. If you want to be pregnant or to make a baby, if you're a man, you can have a healthy baby. When I say healthy, I mean that an HIV negative baby. Then you cannot transmit the virus to the next person.
So what is PrEP and who should use it?
I think I've covered that.
With high risk. Who should use it?
If you know that you are at your sex is it's a risk to your life. You must have PrEP. What is risk? If you are selling sex, if you are selling sex, if you are using drugs, if you are using substance, uthuma uvuke ekuseni uthuma eduze wakho ubani manje lo ulele nami manje la ngimthathe phi manje lo awuyidingi PrEP uyayidingi PrEP uyayidingi PrEP. So another one according to iLokujan National Department of Health, LGBTQI community.
So onache isebedi akili let's say maybe positive ngayisebedisa la akili negative ngayisebedisa.
No, once you are positive you must be on ART. This is like ARVs to prevent you not to be HIV positive. So you cannot take PrEP when you're HIV positive.
So why are young people still at high risk of HIV?
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
Peer pressure. Remember, omunye ufuna i-iPhone and i-iPhone la akhona usemjayiveni dating maybe dating an older man and then that older man dala khona efieldini ye-sex.
Yeah.
And uyabona so uba vulnerable to that. So i-lifestyle, peer pressure, ukuthi ngifuna ukuba nani ekhaya bakwazi ukungiprovidela 1 2 3. It could be clothing, it could be or kuba ne-perception angimdate umuntu ohamba ngeenyawo, ngifuna uhamba ngepolo, uhamba nge-BM, into ezinjengalezo, and you don't have a control in that relationship because the person that you are longing for or you are pursuing unempilo yakhe ayiphilayo and ayiphila nabanye futhi.
So Kobane Mbabanyana youth, why is sexual education important?
It is important because you need to prepare them.
And ba khona uyinka information how ba.
Uyabona I think kuya ngama-communities na kwi-community la ngikhona ama-results ayawekho mahle. But what motivates us to do the work is that even if you can have 12 people in a session and you are supporting, sharing the information, education, even it can even save one life. It's important. It's enough. Yeah. Remember, we can all listen, but it doesn't mean we are hearing. But in siyezwa siyalalela kodwa sizwe. Siyalalela makasizwa. Ifana nasesikoleni mabethi 10 times 10 uzwile ulalelile kodwa ayingenanga. So kufana nakwi-sex kanjani. And remember futhi i-sex is natural. It's umzimba uyasho ukuthi ngifuna lokho, but sometimes uba ingqondo ekulidayo ukuthi ngifuna ubani onjani kanjani lapho wena usuyayishape. But nje i-sex i-natural.
So how can parents talk openly with their children about sex and HIV?
It's not easy for parents to talk with abantwana when it comes to sex. Others, they are mastering that. And it's not easy for abantwana to listen to parents when it comes to sex. Because I remember age gap. Ne-respect into it. This topic, I say it. But manguthiwa umuntu like ourselves ongaphandle, angisho ukuthi abantwana kumele balalela umuntu ongaphandle. No, bangangizwa kabi abantu. Ekhaya bazokutshela. So ngisho ukungena deep. Kufanele nje ukuthi bangathi bakutshena nge-sex bese umntwana akubuza what is clitoris. And then uyabona semele uchaze and uyichazele kahle umtshele understanding and nawe kunamahloni kune-respect into that. So kuba nalezo zinto ezingenelayo.
That's why it's not easy.
Akho easy. Nami ngiyawenza lo msebenzi ukukhuluma nomphakathi. Abantwana bami nje ngiyabathumelela izinto emafonini. Mangihlala mangifuna ukuhlala nabo abakhoni bona. Abakhoni nokungibheka emehlweni, abakhoni nokuresponda. So umntwana ngaba involved entweni wrong ngoba usaba ukukhuluma nawe. So kungcono ngimnikeze a friendly service like ema-health facilities akhona, Crystal Fountain and other organizations abenza lo msebenzi esiwenzayo. Bakwazi ukukhuluma babe vocally, bakhuluma nabantu abakwi-age group abasabi nokubuza ukuthi izolo I had a threesome. Bangakhuluma. Cabanga umntana wakho wena uthi umtshela nge-sex. Athi izolo I had a threesome. Ubona uzomjaja kube nani into ezinto. So akhulula. Yeah. Laba abawenza lo msebenzi sibashayela izandla abaqhubeke basebenze. Abaqhubeke nabanye futhi.
So what role should football coaches play in educating players?
Our coaches, they are secondary parents. Secondary parents, because esos khathi ezosichitha nabantwana or ne responsibility we invite njengoba sila egroundini Sometimes i-Crystal Fountain siyaplaka amatende ne si test abantu, but ke siphinde singayipromote le ama-Sunday leagues. Why abantu le isikhathi aba-free abaphuzayo benza yini, and asimthesti umuntu mayiphuza. Yeah, simthesti because uzowathatha kanjani ama-results azowalaphana. Yeah, so ama-rules awazivumeli. So nje abo-coach kumele ba-invite ama-service providers. Ngaba ilokhu njani circumcision, ba-invite abo-doctor, not bazoba circumcise khona lapho. If it's possible, they can have an agreement, whatever. But they can invite other stakeholders. Ngabi ibhola wire. Yeah. Sometimes ngaba spelling bee into yesikole. Sibone leli player lakho elidlala kakhulu ukuthi incwadi ziyavuka na. Nini bezinye. Uyabona? So that umntwana abethole ezinye izinto, yabona, uzoyivaluation lezo ndawo.
So why do many men avoid clinics?
Naturally nje abobaba nje abathanda ukuconsulta for health.
Then how can we encourage them?
We are encouraging them to come through, and they don't come. What we do, siba invite ngento abayithandayo. If bathanda ibhola, we invite them ukuthi no, sibacela ukuthi from lesi sikhathi until 2 or 1 bangaphuzi. But bathathe yabona low service level.
So what message do you have for fathers and husbands about protecting their families?
Hey, Baba, we have a huge responsibility to ensure that you protect your family. You are the head. Remember, you are the head. You must firstly provide. So if you are unemployed, it becomes difficult. But it doesn't mean you should not be focused and ensure that you protect your family. Ubaba akumelanga ubaba aphuza khula dawe. Bangangena isigebengu ubaba alele ngabo 2 adakiwe. Uzoprotect kanjani ifamily. So yonke into mawuyenza mawubaba kumele uyenze ufake nomqondo ukuthi no what la akunabantu that depends on me. Ngiyalala umntana bangazi ukuthi uyephi. Akumelanga ubaba njalo. Kumele abantwana ubazi bakhona endlini. Mabe ngeke endlini kune agreement ekhona ukuthi baya kuphi bayokwenzana. Yeah, so ubaba wenze njalo. Ubaba uhlala aqaphela ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ubaba uvula amehlo. Ubaba uba involved. Ubaba uyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani in the community. Ubaba uyazi ukuthi la kwenzakala yini.
So have you ever worked with football club on HIV awareness?
So sorry baba, angisazwa.
Have you ever worked with football clubs on HIV awareness?
Yes. Like illegal, render my services on a Sunday. Sabacela ukuthi on this Sunday, sicela ukuthi beze basoza namatende swap like. Siba test yonke into beze. Yeah, beze abasupport. Yeah,
because ubalata mobile ngoba thabani so simple hore ba thole di services without being judged or bashebale ka re ba weak.
Yeah, njengoba usasho njalo, you are reminding, I was talking to the officials, I was talking about mobile clinics. They are very important. Ukuthi to have a mobile clinic. Siyazi ukuthi umuntu uya ukuphi siyakhona. We render the service la akhona and then we go back. Are important. We need to move with times. Yes, ukubona the situation ukuthi no abantu manje abasafani like before. How we can succeed in ensuring that our services are received by the community 100%. So we must have mobile clinics.
For example, maybe let's say Zamaya uya skolu. Then you go to school, you don't see the reason behind Zamaya skolu. At the later stage, that's over like, hey, has me no mama we take school bona na ke teacher ke phela so go ntho tse le di bona after. Even though wena o tsosa batho. So we come on tsona o tshore batho ba ba mo ha e ha ba di tlhoke di services. We have to come to them ge ba thuse ha fitla go di bona to realize hore what's about you to say. Ke thotse 1 2 3 4 and ke sa etse because of ile kae ho bona. Yeah. Okay. So why should every football team include education,
Uh,
health education? I meant to say.
before answering that question, I want to say we also have a self test. Jomusasho.
Yeah.
Azithi test ubaba la egroundini. Watesta HIV negative. Baba excited la ubaba. Uyofika athi yo ngiyotshela umuntu wami endlini. Into ezinjengalezi. So we advise lapho no ungafika usewufika uyabona wenze kanjalo ngoba ngathi uzofila ngathi umshile. Here's a self test. Hamba niyo testa endlini ibe right naye test and then ube kanjalo. So coming to your question, why education is important. Any education is important. The good education, it's important. It assists young people which babe in the right direction. Bangabi involved with gangsterism. Abanye abantu baya involved with gangsterism. Good football players. Because the community ekhona lapha bakuyo ibafake kwi-gangsterism. So education, they will be able to separate what is good, what is wrong.
Truly. So now we are approaching the end of our session. So what are your future goals in the community development?
Community development now is to ensure good mental health. We would see people are mental strong, more mental strong. Yeah, mama. Oh, okay, ma'am. Plastic. Asinayo ngapha ma. Yeah. So is to have programs that are focusing on mental health, programs that are on skills development, because we want to create independence. So skill development is important. When people can open their own businesses, young people wabona equipped with information, equipped with a skill. It's about decided. Yeah, so and to go to technology. Now there's AI. AI is doing a lot. Can you imagine if you were in a position of a consultant in this day and age? But yabona ukuthi business yakho kumele uyishift AI. We and those tools because the people, you move with times. People can have the information without coming to you. And there's e-learning now. People are working from home. This is a fourth industrial revolution. So we need to move with times. As we started to have WhatsApp, Facebook, we were trained by having those social media platforms. Now there's more about TikTok, there's Telegram.
There are a lot of platforms. So what legacy would you like to leave?
I believe with Mangpila, I must do my best. Yeah. And then abantu bazokhulumela bona. Yeah. I don't want to. I'm not saying build a legacy or no. I'm assisting everyone, no maganjan. So and the assistance must come with dedication, with the respect, kanjan. So you would see, yes, abantu bazongikhumbula, abantu bazobona umsebenzi, bayibona umsebenzi esenzayo. Angiwenzi ngedwa. I don't want to take credit. Umsebenzi esiwenzayo siwenza as a group, uyabonakala and kumele siqhubeke siye phambili noma kuba nzima ngama-funding noma kuba njani kodwa siqhubeke sisize abantu. So
how can people
asize omunye?
Okay, so how can people support the work of HTS Services and Crystal Fountain?
Firstly, by knowing what is HIV, how is HIV being transmitted, to be educated. That's number one. Number two, by supporting us to attend our events, to come for our services. Number three, with resources. If you have anything to pop up, you can assist us. We don't have a mobile clinic. We wish to have a mobile clinic to ensure which is our communities. Yes, the Department of Health is supporting us kakhulu. Yes, needs amanye resources but not izosiprovidela everything.
Some of the things
Yeah,
we have
ezinye
to do
izinto
them
we need to fundraise ourselves, sithole support from kwabanye.
Okay.
Mm.
So what message do you have for someone who has never tested for HIV?
Get tested.
Get tested.
Yeah, I know your status. If a 12-year-old we are tested, and when you are dead, you don't know your status. It means something. Yeah, not that you are sexually active or not.
Yeah.
Get tested.
Get tested. Yeah, be courageous.
Yeah, get tested. Know your status.
Okay, finally, what message do you have for the people of Pimville and South Africa?
To be kind to one another. Lately, people are frustrated and they're not kind. They take their frustrations to other people. So, be kind. No matter how life ipoklisha ngakhona, be kind. Your words, whatever you are, yabona uyayikhuluma, kumele ube kind. Ungalimaza omunye umuntu ngamazwi. Uyazi into ukulimaza umuntu ngamagama ibuhlungu kabi noma ungaxolisa ayisuki. Ihleli noma angizobona nama-partners ama-couple ayalo into ishilo ukuthi hayi ungazongitshena wena ngoba so hayi noma ungaxolisa kusasa ukuthi akusinto ade ngiyimina ngekusasa ngizokuxolela but izobe ikhona ayirabheki. So be kind. Into elimaza abantu ungabi kind. Abantu bayaphuza so because uwa-experience ukuthi i-unkindness. Umuntu on drugs because ekhaya abazange babe kind. Be kind.
Okay, so now on the game, but it's not a game per se. It's just the question.
Okay.
Then what the Araba based on your favorites.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So between Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, and Mamelodi Sundowns, which team do you support?
Obvious. The national team, Kaizer Chiefs. We also have my favorite Chiefs. Dr. Khumalo, Mashama Khona, Bekashange Eskheli, Ashayi khona amakanje, enza style. Into benza khoma yonke. Ngimbuka ku black and white. Yeah. Sihamba sibheka iwisa spectacular. Dlala lapha Kaizer Chiefs baba.
Oh, so maybe internationally or Europe, which team do you support?
The Gunners of London,
the
Gunners of London, the champions. UEFA slow Champions League.
Maybe this is So Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo?
Mina ngithanda uMaradona. Mina ngithanda uMaradona.
So bona nje
yeah, mina ngithanda uMaradona. Why wamfaka?
Akike batho batla over belong current.
Well, both of them are good players, dedication, but the one une amazing talent. But manje sebamosha the way bamfavor ngakhona. Who you miss?
Okay. So greatest South African footballer of all time.
South African? Niltov. Yeah.
Okay.
Mukuku, Niltov.
Center back.
Niltov is a striker with Chiefs. Yikafaku number 9. And was convicted ngabo coach agcina say defend. And he led the South Africa to the World Cup. Adlala. But ngamase kufika World Cup ku-98 bangambiza esquadini. Politics of football.
Yeah.
Niltov.
Yeah. So toughest opponent you ever played against? Can be on a junior level, senior.
Hey, South African players are gifted, man. Mina ngathi ubani? Yeah, Bani.
Okay, so maybe mentioning one. The team, yeah, that team.
The toughest team.
Yeah.
The toughest team. Yaze yafana team singakaze sayidla. Ngidlala we Naughty Boys. There was a team called Naughty Boys. Yeah.
Okay.
They were good from the keeper to the front line. They were France, so yeah, so they were good.
So best teammate you have ever played with? best teammate e leng gore ke dula dlala le ena o tshwara o ha ne re le two fela ne re sheka
khona uthema bathu tsebe
tsebe
ya bunganishabalala ayi besibangena abantu
bimangele
ya
okay best football
but
coach
currently uzuma
uZuma
ya currently
Zuma okay
uzuma umleftini sidlala naye currently currently uye sidlala naye uyazi uyangiphasa ngimphase kanjalo siyafika eboxing
and lithudo nelidlala
yes
and ke modlala lefting ne
ya bekadlala left wing udlala left wing uyangena uyangiphasa ibhola lapha ya uzuma currently
okay so best football coach you've ever worked with
best coach
elong kila coach elong ha mo le ba le today
ucoach ungwalo Khanyile kunomunye baba uKhanyile mdlalile lapha kuye before kuba ne-movers besikwazi ukuhlala singadlali ibhola and then uKhanyile uKhanyile babukhanyile hayi very disciplined uyalithanda ibhola shoda ngama-resources njengoba ngikhuluma ngama-resource elithanda ibhola ukhulisa abantwana abaningi washape uyakwazi ukuthi athathe iplayer into akhe good ngayo thatha iplayer engekho good list 10
that's being a coach
thatha iplayer engekho talented but licompete nama-player are-talented
that's being a coach that's being a coach so one stadium you wish you had played in
ngidlalile Orlando Stadium my wish was ukuthi ngidlale seyi-renovative ngigcine stand la before 2010 so my wish was ukuthi ngiyodlala phela sebe-renovative
if you could bring back one retired football to play today who would it be
alive noma ushonile
like maybe you are alive or ma o retired
o
retired ma ona no ka mkhotlisi e ka ba ma
eMzansi or international
e ka ba Mzansi le ka mo
Dr. Khumalo.
You love the guy, So one word that describes Soweto football.
Talent.
Okay. So you said you support Kaizer Chiefs, also Bafana, right?
Yeah.
So
by default, Bafana is by default.
Okay, so when I take about Tangier now, we played a game against Mexico.
Yeah.
We didn't do well. So maybe let's say you were the coach. Line up how in a goalkeeper until a strike.
Firstly, I would say South Africans must believe in themselves. They should stop hiring foreign coaches. They should stop. We have former players like other nations that played good football. They have documents to be coaches. Give them a chance. If you are able to take a coach, I say Europe, uzomlethe eMzansi. Answer your question. Number one, Peters.
Okay.
Peterson Kaizer Chiefs emapalini.
Okay.
Yeah, bengizoba Peterson Kaizer Chiefs. Ku left back bengizofaka uCross. Ku left back, ku right back bengizofaka uMtawu Sundowns right. And then center back faka uMbokazi noKhuliso Ndamane. Midfielders it will be Utebogo Mkwena no Talente Mbatha. And then supporting number 10 yena President Yama2K. Relebogile Mfukeng. And then a police if I would add in PFAP and Fagusbilibili Kodalapo. And then striking force.
We had 3 Renas, Mahopa and Fosla. Or maybe
front line. bekuzoba uye ngwanasesi Magopa
Okay.
angazi sebengeke lama players
Yeah.
yeah ngathi
Ushota Masaiting, ushota 2 ya Masaiting fela. The wingers, right
oh
wing
ngifaka
and left wing.
usibilibili ngapha ngithi
Oh, okay.
ngifaka usibilibili ngapha and then ngale on the left on the left kunalo mfana man uKhutso
Theledi. Puso Ditejana.
hayi Puso Ditejana Khutso where the team that is relegated Khutso what is this team Obit College
Obit, yeah.
yeah udlala ka left yeah hayi Shapat is number 10 Shapat is number 10 yeah and then the supporting striker Mole it could be I'll try another young player in Belgium.
Okay.
Batho bani lo mfana? Campbell.
Okay,
Yeah.
esibona sihe
Yeah.
maybe head coach ibe man, captain ibe man, best super
For
sub for
that World Cup.
yeah for squad sa meaning coach no batla ibe ke man, captain ibe man, best super sub the current player to watch.
Oh, okay. Coach Bo Dr. Kuman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Captain
Assistant coach be Penny McCart.
Okay.
Assistant coach. Yeah, Penny McCart.
Okay.
And then captain wabona Mole Tebogo Mokoena. Yeah.
So current Bafana players to watch.
It's Tebogo Mokoena. Captain number 2008 no it's a big stage akabonakala. Police.
Okay.
Police.
So one young player from Soweto who has the potential to wear the Bafana jersey.
Soweto. No. Hey, labafana bakhona man. Bakhona labafana bayagijima. Hey, baningi man, baningi. Ulo omunye bengimbona ukuthi une talent but I don't know ukuthi wenzakalani manje. Marumo Matlala. Hey.
One of the
Marumo Matlala was very talented. But angibona ngathi manje
the interest
life. I think life to provide and yabona growth. It comes with ama responsibilities. Nama wishes which I wish to do 1, 2, 3. So yenza end up shifter from Epoli. Oh baningi no banga so Uspamu baningi they're
so,
very good.
Yeah. You've mentioned talented players.
Defense baningi they're talented.
So now we're not just go the end of our discussion. So only sentence say form. The word sentence when we cut it like a one way.
Okay.
Yeah. So football has taught me
discipline.
Pinville is
home.
Success means
achieving.
Young footballer must
commit.
Okay, never give up because
one word.
Never give up because
it's tough.
Okay, my legacy will be
remembered.
Okay, without said anymore community arena, we have came to our end of discussion in that marathon for honor the podcast, and I wish for le batho batla honor ba ishebelle ba balele bona re tloelle hore batho ba batsho we are ignorant. We should learn ka ntho tse leng hore it's so difficult hore di shebe bana ba rona ba le teng because re phela so I believe whatever we discuss it, our community will watch and acknowledge. Okay, without that, Tatwaka Kaitebuela,
Ntate Marum, ke a leboha for invitation, and you are doing a good job, a good work. You inspire me with your ideas, and the work that you are doing, it's important, it's touching lives. Never be discouraged. Never be discouraged. Always push for more. And for our community, yes, definitely people will watch the podcast, and mostly to people that are distant. Akukho lula ukuthi la ukhona abantu babona into enhle oyenzayo. Ngakutshena ngokuthi ukwenzela i-example ngo-David. uDavid mayizokhethwa ezobusiswa, mayifika ezobusiswa, wafika bezombusisa phakathi kwabafowabo. And ngisho abafowabo nobaba wakhe wayengaboni ukuthi ingabusiswa uDavid. So wathi mayifika umuntu ozombusisa, wathi ngizela kumadodana akho, ngicela uwabize wonke, ngizomnikeza isibusiso, ngizelo yedwa. Wabakhipha bonke, wababeka, wathi hayi khona ongekho, akekho khona ongekho la okumele ngimbusise. uNkulunkulu ungithumile ukuthi ngizombusisa. And mayisho njalo kwathi khona lo lusi izimvu le, kwathi hayi mbizeleni yena loyo. Athi usho yena lo, kukhona abadala. Athi hayi ngibize uyimpela-ke loyo. Uthe mayevela wathi hayi uye lo, uyevela wambusisa ukuthi abe inkosi, ukuthi akhule. So into engichaza ukuthini, la okhona mawumuntu abakubona okuhle okwenzayo abantu, and abantu bagcina babe nama-negative. Hayi ungabasweli, ungabaphenduli. Kindness, i-kindness, ama-frustrations. So uqhubeke kanjalo, ungapheli umoya. Ngiyabonga i-invitation. Thank you, Ntate.
Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, thank you for watching Pimville. Until next time, good people. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you at the next podcast. Thank you.